Recording.
Keyboard satu kali lagi, mari. Okay, go. So I am back with another keyboard. Okay, since the video before this, I reviewed about my Empower Air wireless gaming headset, which is actually still really good. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'm gonna leave the link to the card of the video over here. Okay, go click it. What is the brand of this keyboard? If you guys want to know, then as per usual, please go watch this video till the end. Grab your snacks, grab your drinks. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to HeyIt'sFir YouTube channel. My name is Fir and you guys are watching Tech and Trend. So guys, as per usual, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to HeyIt'sFir YouTube channel, what are you guys waiting for? Please do consider to subscribing to HeyIt'sFir YouTube channel, especially if you guys are into tech related contents. If you guys are into unboxing series, setup series, and review series, this is the right channel for you guys. Barang. Alright, so this is another keyboard, okay? Another episode of Tech and Trend, another keyboard. What kind of keyboard is this? What other type of keyboard is this? Let's unbox now. To be really honest guys, I've been doing some of keyboard unboxing. I really wish that this keyboard is something different from most of the keyboard that I've reviewed on this channel. Okay? Brand apa dia? Okay guys, so based on the box that I have over here, this is actually a brand called Leaven. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Leaven or Leaven. Please, if some of you guys know, please let me know in the comment section down below. So what I have over here is the Leaven K550 87 key mechanical keyboard. Mechanical keyboard! Finally, it's a mechanical keyboard. I mean like, how many keyboards have I already unboxed in this channel? Most of it are either chiclet switch kind of keyboard or membrane keyboard. So this is actually the first time ever that I'm gonna unbox a mechanical keyboard that I didn't buy. Okay, let me just show the box in the A camera first to you guys. As you guys can see, yep, that's how the box looks like. And then now let me show it to the B camera over there. Okay, so that's how the keyboard looks like. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see. So it's stated over here K550 87 mechanical keyboard. This is the logo of the brand, and there are some of the features down here if you guys can see. It's stated over here this is true machinery. I don't know what machinery is. Double color, okay, double color, and then game equipment, office, household, and 87 key. Alright, and it also stated over here variety effect. Is it effect or effect? Yes, variety lightings effect it put over there. On the other side is the logo of the product, and then on the back, okay, just some of the details over there. What is stated over here that it have a true machinery. Blue axis is mechanical representative axis. So basically, I assume this one use a blue switch keyboard, mechanical switch. I meant it have a variety lighting effects, 4 fashionable youth colors, gorgeous, charming, full of vitality. Standard 87 keys, plug play, character school lighting in the middle board, different colors, same quality. Basically, they just mix a bunch of English words to make it sounds vigorous, but it's just a very bad grammar, whatever. Double color, it have a thermoplastic profile quality. It have to, I don't know what does that mean, we're gonna check it out later. And it also comes with a 87 key layout and waterproof design. Nice. Based on the details over here, if you guys can see the down here, yeah, that one is actually a blue switch, Automo blue switch, kind of mechanical switch. So we'll take a look at it later. And it have a 1-year free warranty. Very nice. On the other side is just the name of the keyboard, which is the Leaven K550 mechanical keyboard. Okay. And zas! Yes! Finally, a white keyboard. Okay, I'm just gonna take out the keyboard first. Okay, this is the cable. Okay. Nothing else, just a manual paper and empty boxes. I'm just gonna put this to the side and bodoh. And zas! Wow. Wow, this actually look really nice. Aku tak pernah ada keyboard putih tu, so dia macam bapak style tu. Alright, okay, so let me just show you in the A camera first. That's how the keyboard looks like. A very white keyboard over there. Okay, this is how the Leaven K550 Mechanical Keyboard looks like. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, definitely made out of a plastic panel. Okay, and then if you guys can see the layout, the cut-out switch of the keyboard is actually very basic mechanical keyboard that have been used by the brands such as Gaming Freak, Armageddon, same layout. And then at the back of the side, nothing much, very empty, white, clean looking, but it have this leveler kind of thingy, I don't know what they call it, but to restart the keyboard a bit. Yeah, and then it used the normal cable. Just a normal cable, not braided. I wish it's a braided cable, but this would do. Alright, the time that we've been waiting for when it comes to all this keyboard video. Typing test. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Okay guys, I know this is a normal Automu blue switch mechanical keyboard, but this is like what? Only the few keyboard that I have done on this channel which is mechanical. And is it really a blue switch? Yeah, so if you guys can see, okay, this is a mechanical blue switch, which is the Automu blue switch, just a normal blue switch that usually most of the budget gaming keyboard used. And is it swappable? I am not sure, but later I will tell you guys once I look at the link that was given to me. But yeah, without wasting any time, I am going to plug this into my Thunder Snow gaming PC, and I'm just gonna share with you guys how the lighting looks like, how to adjust the lighting and everything. And after that, I will get back here and I will share with you guys where you guys can buy this Leaven K550 mechanical gaming keyboard and how much is the price, and then also I'll be giving you guys my final conclusion on this keyboard. Let's go! Cut. Okay guys, so I have already plugged in this Leaven K550 mechanical gaming keyboard onto my Thunder Snow gaming PC. Okay, as you guys can see, the lighting is actually very nice. Okay, maybe because it's a white keyboard, so it's something different. Okay, as you guys can see over there, it actually not really RGB, maybe multicolor kind of keyboard, because you guys can't really customize it. Okay, so if you guys want to adjust the lighting effect of this Leaven K550 is by just pressing on function and then the I and S button over here. So you can see, yeah, this is one of the effect. It'll be like that. Okay, and then there is like this. Okay, so if you guys can see like this definitely shows that every row of the keyboard there is some sort of a different LED colors to it. Yeah, if you guys can see. So maybe something like that, same. Something like this. Like this. Okay, and then turn it off. Definitely no. Oh no. Oh yeah, this effect also. Yep. Okay. So one more. Just this sorts of ripple effect to it, and static one, which is just like this. Yeah. The lighting wise, right? If you guys can see, even and with the lighting from the back of me, you guys can actually still see the color. Okay, the lights being quite bright. Let me try turn off the light and you guys can see how it looks like. Yep, definitely better. Okay, the color is actually popped out more, which is actually very nice if you guys ask me. Okay, maybe because it's a white keyboard lah. I never really have a white keyboard before, so it gives a different look to me. But yeah, what do you guys think? Leaven K550 mechanical keyboard. Okay guys, so after 1 hour of testing this keyboard with my Thunder Snow Gaming PC, I actually realized that I forgot to mention to you guys just now. Okay, based on the box over here, right, I forgot to show you in the B camera just now. If you guys can see, yeah, there are actually 4 other color options for this keyboard. Okay, so there is like what, pink, blue, white and black. Very interesting. Okay, so to ladies gamers over there, female gamers over there, this could be one of the options for you guys lah. Okay, pink color and blue color actually looks quite feminine if you ask me. But for guys, if you guys want to use pink and blue also, no judgment. Okay, no judgment. Okay guys, so based on the Shopee recording screen that you guys see on this screen now, somewhere around here, so this is actually what they call Leaven Real Blue Switch RGB Mechanical Keyboard, 104 button gaming keyboard. Okay, if I add to cart, okay, there are actually 2 options based on the link that was given to me. This is a version 104 keys, and there are multiple colors to it, and then there is the 87 keys, which what I have over here. Okay, and the price of this keyboard, okay, this is very interesting. 104 keys is RM69 ringgit only, and the 87 keys, no matter which color I chose, is only RM61 ringgit 89 cents. 61 ringgit 89 cents. That is like, let's say 62 bucks, which is around $20 dah nampak 80 betul. Okay, which is around $15 guys, which is actually really cheap if you guys ask me. And with this being a mechanical keyboard, this is officially for me the cheapest mechanical keyboard that I ever found on the site. Okay guys, you cannot get any cheaper than this. Maybe there will be in the future, but as of now, trust me, okay, I studied the market few times, okay, and this is definitely not some false marketing thingy where they say mechanical keyboard on their Shopee page, but then when it come to me, this is actually just a membrane. This is definitely a mechanical keyboard, if you guys can hear that. So yeah, like I mentioned just now, there are multiple colors: pink, blue, white and black, and I am so glad that finally I got my first ever white gaming keyboard. Okay, other than that, let me just read the description for you guys. It have a 7-mode dynamic light effect, like I shared with you guys just now. Cozy hover button, okay. Tactile, good touch, durable, replaceable shaft. Oh, you guys basically can change the keycap if you want. Okay, this is just a default keycap size. Flash lamp, multimedia button. Yep, some of the multimedia button on top of here. So yeah, that's about it on the Shopee page. So what are my thoughts on this Leaven 87 key mechanical keyboard K550? Okay, if you guys ask me, okay, my first impression review, this keyboard definitely lived up to its price. Okay, despite of it have a mechanical switch into it, but the quality build of this keyboard is actually okay. I must say it's actually very light. Okay, if you ask me, very light, and it's a plastic panel all over the keyboard body. Okay, so if you guys are expecting some very high quality looking mechanical keyboard but for 61 ringgit, then don't think about that, because it's not gonna happen. But overall, I would say that for budget gamers out there, again, to all those budget gamers community, are you guys there? This is definitely one of the option if you guys want to go mechanical for your setup but still retaining under the budget. Yes. So yeah, if you guys interested to get your hands on one of these Leaven mechanical gaming keyboard K550, I will be sure to leave the link of the Shopee of this keyboard in the description box down below, so you guys can go check that out. So what do you guys think about this Leaven mechanical gaming keyboard K550? If you guys have any thoughts or opinion, please do leave it in the comment section down below. I would like to know. And before I end this video, I would like to announce that this is officially the cheapest mechanical keyboard that you can find as of now. Okay, as of now. If there will be a cheaper option, I will definitely share with you guys in the future. Alright, so if you guys like this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and to those who are watching haven't yet subscribed to HeyIt'sFir YouTube channel, what are you doing? Subscribe now. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video definitely, and like I've always said guys, remember to always do great, be great and stay great. HeyIt'sFir walking off. Try, do Faris. Tekan lah. Betul lah.